You understand? Let's quickly solve these problems that are on the board. This problem, the reason why I pick them is because they are somehow combination of each a single problem here is a combination of two, three laws. You need the knowledge of two or three of the laws of indices to solve this problem. So let's start with question one. In question one, you can see that solution, let's say solution to question one, solution to question one. So let's look at it. Question one says 16 raised to the power of 3 over 4 times 4 raised to the power 1 over 2 is equal to 8, 5 over 3. So what do we do? In this case, you can see that the bases are different. The basis here is 16 and here we have 4. So what do? We can change everything here to either base 2. We can change all of them to base 2. Change the numerator to base 2. So how do we do that? So 16 here, 16 is for in exponential form. If we want it to be in base 2, that means 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 will give us 16. So what do we do here? So we say 2 raised to power 4 raised to power what? 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 into what? 1 over 2 over 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 5 over 3. See, we have already simplified. Everything now is in base 2. So what do we do? Let's take care of the numerator. So to take care of the numerator here, we have 2 raised to power 4 times 3 over 4 is equals to 2 raised to power 2 times 1 over 2 over 2 raised to power 3 times 5 over 3. So in this case, this 4 now will cancel this. We have 2 raised to power 3. So this 2 here will cancel this 2 raised to power 1. And we have this 3 will cancel this. We have 2 raised to power 5. So finally, we have to take a common base. We have 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 over 2 raised to power 5. So it becomes 2 raised to power 4 over 2 raised to power 5. And since this one is a division, we say 2 raised to power 4 divided by 2 raised to power 5. So it gives us 2 raised to power 4, take away 5. So it gives us 2 raised to power minus 1. And 2 raised to power minus 1 is 1 all over 2 raised to power 1. So that's the solution to this problem. So the answer is what? 1 over 2, which is half. So let's look at the solution to the second problem. The second problem says that we have 1 all over 9 raised to power x is equals to 3 minus x raised to power 3 times 81 raised to the power x. In this case, we can cross multiply. We can cross multiply. This is cross multiply. We can cross multiply because this one will come to this side and this one will go this way. We have 3 times 81 raised to power x is equals to 9 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power x. So we can change everything to base 3. We can change all to base 3. So here, well, this is 3 raised to the same thing as 3 raised to power 1. Here, it's 1. What is that number? 3 raised to power 4 will give us 81. So the 3 raised to power 4 will give us, because 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Here is 9. Here is 9 times 3 is 27. And this 27 times 3, it will give us this. So we have 27 times 3 is 21 and give us 6 and give us 81. So it give us 3 raised to power 4 raised to power x. So it gives us something like this. So here now we have 3 raised to power 2 and we have x and we have multiplied by 3 raised to power minus x. So since they have the same base, and have 3 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 4x is equals to 3 raised to power 2x multiplied by 3 raised to minus x. We have the same base. You have 3 raised to power 1 plus 4x is equals to 3 raised to power 2x plus, we have plus minus what? X. Plus minus x. So it gives us 3 raised to the power 2x minus x. That's what we have. Here become 3 raised to the power 1 plus 4x. So since they have the same base, we can cancel the same. This one will cancel it. So we have 1 plus 4x is equal to 2x minus x. 2x minus x. So here we give us x. Give us x. Here we have 1 plus 4x. 1 plus 4x. So to collect the light time, if we collect the light time, we collect the light times. So we have what? We have 1. We have what? 4. 1 is equals to x minus what? 4x. So we have 1 is equals to minus 3x. So if we are looking for this, since we are looking for x, we can divide both sides by what? Divide both sides by minus 3. We have 1 over minus 3 equals to minus 3 all over minus 3. This guy will cancel this. So we have x is equals to minus 1 all over what? 3. So that's what we have. So it's x is equals to minus 1 over 3. So let's look at the last part of the question, which is question 3. But I will not solve this one. Remember, I told you you need to click on the subscription points here, subscribe, like this channel, and what? Enjoy, so that we are going to feed you with more wonderful lectures. So for today, we have solved 2 of these questions that we have on the board. I would like to leave this question 3 for you guys to solve. And I want you to solve it and post it on the comment section. But before you do that, I want to give you a small hint on how to solve it. We have 3x raised to the power x, 32 raised to the power x equals to 0.25. The 0.25 here, the hint here is that you need to change this 0.25 to fractional form. I hope you still remember how to change decimal numbers to fractional form. So in this case, 0.25, you will change it to what? To fractional form, and you proceed from there. Have a wonderful day and